What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2022 Toyota Sienna unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now we're going to use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So before we open the driver's door with the emergency key, make sure you still have your key fob handy, because on some vehicles, when you unlock and open the driver's door, the alarm's going to start going off. If your alarm starts going off, how you can stop it is you need to start the vehicle, and we'll take a look at how to start the vehicle with a dead key fob in just a moment. But to get the driver's door open, what we're going to do is take our emergency key, put it in the cylinder, and I'm going to turn it to the right or clockwise. And I'll go ahead and open the door. And like I said, on some vehicles, your alarm will start going off at this point. If your alarm's going off, what you need to do is start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with a dead key fob is I'm going to get in, press the power button, then I'm going to touch the key fob to the power button. And now I can start the vehicle as normal. And that's it. And then you'll just need to replace the batteries in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.